Hello guys, how are you there? So let's get started with Arduino. So first of all, let me tell you what is Arduino all about. Arduino is the name of a company which develops different type of microcontrollers. Some of them are Arduino UNO, Arduino Nano, Arduino Lilypad, Arduino Mega and many more. So in the entire module as well as in this entire course, we're gonna focus on Arduino UNO. So this is how Arduino UNO looks like. In the next video, we're gonna see the key features of Arduino UNO. Thank you.